Hi guys, this is Garnet and I am so excited because today I am announcing the new rewards that I have for my Patreons. As you might already know, I have lots of rewards for my Patreons. One of them being 3D rendered PNGs. These are pictures of 3D characters from different perspectives with transparent backgrounds like these ones. And this is a cool reward they can use for their art. But I wanted something more interactive for them. Something they had more control over. So today I'm going to be showing you this new reward and exactly how you can use it. It's called an OBJ, and every term I'll be giving my Patreons a set of OBJs. An OBJ is basically going to be a 3D character of the poses that I have for the term. So you can understand this reward better, I'm going to show you how you can use it. When the term is over, my Patreons will get the rewards along with the OBJs. Once they have the OBJs, all they have to do is find the place where they saved them, make sure that you have Clip Studio Paint open, then hold and drag the OBJ and drop it into Clip Studio Paint. Once the model has loaded, you will see either a 3D model of my characters Una or Gato in a pose for that term. Now prepare to have your mind blown away, because in Clip Studio Paint, one of my favorite drawing softwares if I might add, you can take control of this model. How, you might ask? Well, let's start from left to right, so I can show you the amount of control that you have over this. On the left window here, you will see some settings. I'm going to start by turning off this outline, because I prefer it that way, but if you wanted to, you could control the thickness of the outline. Now this is the part that I love the most. Over here, we have some buttons, and the ones all the way to the left are cameras. All you have to do is click and hold, and you'll be able to manipulate the cameras. This camera on the left will allow you to take the camera to any angle that you want. This is so useful so that you can see these characters from different angles. You can use the second option to move the camera up, down, left, or right. And the third camera is to zoom in or out. These buttons on the right can be used to turn the character. I don't really like to use these buttons. It might come in handy if you have more than one OBJ opened up in Clip Studio Paint. My second favorite tool is the shadow light source. You can control where the light source is coming from. Super handy if you're not sure how light interacts with the figure. Another cool thing you can do is you can scroll in or out to distort the perspective. If you scroll down, it will flatten the perspective, and if you scroll up, it will exaggerate the perspective, such as things close to the camera will look exaggerated and warped due to being near the camera. So now that I can set up my model, I'll find a place where I want her. I could use the model to trace over her, such as I am doing, or I could use this as a reference. Tracing is super handy in case you are coming up with comic books. Drawing things over and over again could really slow down your process. However, if you have a model, you can place the camera in whatever angle you need, and you can use this to your advantage to speed up the process. As a reference, you can use this as a resource to getting better understanding of the human body and how it looks in different angles. You can even manipulate the layers as I am doing here. What is also great about this is that it is a PNG, so you can lock it in once you have rasterized it and fill it in with your own ideas. If you want to be a part of my community and have access to these rewards and more, then come and join me at patreon.com/garnetflame. Patrons will have access to these two models to give it a test. All Tier 2 Zirconians and up will be receiving these OBJ rewards and more. I really hope you will join me at Patreon, and I hope to see you there soon.